duels, but I prefer a man who lives and gives expensive duels. A kiss on the hand might be quite continental, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. A kiss may be grand, but it won't pay the rental of your humble flat, or help you at the automat. Men grow cold as girls grow old, and we all lose our charms in the end. But where comes a pear-shaped